And then somebody will come outside. Hey, don't laugh at good luck Jonathan when he comes out, please. He's emotionally unstable now, please. Don't laugh at him. No serious. Or when he comes out, the election results have been declared. But I'll continue to fight. Hey, no fighting. For the democracy of Africa. And on that note, I would like to send a big shout out to my brother in Ghana, John Mahama. I want to tell you, my brother, 2016, nowhere more fashion than this. Hey, this is the kill us in Charlie. I know most of you are surprised. They like studio. I know. I am tired of it. Do you know how we can solve the Musa problem? I've been really thinking lately. It's not about getting badges. It's not about increasing the water in Akosopo Dam. Simple solution. Morning time, put the light off our ministries. Afternoon, Parliament House, light off. Evening, Presidential Palace, light off. Yes, when they feel the heat and the pain, the frustration, they will solve it within 2 days. That's when you enter a barber shop and you see the John as if you get a fight over China. No, but I can't get first. Fight them. No, I see you get that's how you are. You and your party, that's how you are. You will see to this thing, you will see. It's true. And they said we are going to produce power from different alternatives. Windmill, biogas, and all of that, which means we must start shitting often. We must start shitting hard. We are looking for biogas. Now, if we set up this biogas project, our scientists will never give one shit. I don't know why it's so hard for our scientists to shit. I don't know why they're just when you have to toilet speeding about there. No, we are going to go for the meeting. Just go and shit and go now. Okay, no. And I mean, we can form further biogas. Our scientists will never give one biogas. Scientists will shit, you be attracted to shit. You hear them in the washroom. Oh, that's a delicious one. Ooh, I dropped it nice. I'm telling you, the answer the washroom, tell I go fish it for. Evers will produce the biogas, but will never see them shitting. Everything about Evers is so sappy. Therefore, when you produce 70 kilograms of biogas, they feel home. But we never saw you shitting. As a human being, sometimes you shit, sometimes you don't shit. But therefore, when do you shit? Because I want to know when you shit. They say, why do you want to know when I shit? You look very suspicious to me. You want to use my toilet for something. I don't like that. But the race for biogas, girls will win because girls shit red. You will visit the guy at home, he will be coming up for the toilet. Tell him, no more game, what's up? Tell him, some beans where I use to let me see what's there. This for the short cats, no. You will chat him. The moment you get outside, you're about to start to empty. You remember something. Tell him, are you quick? Yo, what's up? Are you back to the toilet? Tell him to my fillet. Tell him to say no. How many of you remember that times, way back when Ghana was Ghana, black and white president, national, when you are watching telenovelas with your daddy's appearance, you can never. In fact, the most tense moment in your life is when a kissing scene starts. When they start kissing, hold each other. What's wrong with our parents? The TV is here. They will know what the TV. Once the kissing starts, they start watching it. And that's when you become so nervous. Everything in your pocket will come out. And they can ask you some off-the-top questions. Why are you breathing? So because they're kissing, you are breathing, eh? The whole time they started it, you have to be breathing. Why are you breathing? I will deal with you today. Why? Today the children are rotten. The kissing scene starts and you're like, okay, I'm an adult. Let me look at you. You look at him, he's not looking at you. Why are you making that face? This guy, the chopper around. Oh. This is about food, when they shout at me. This is the way holding him. It's about how and bread. And today, most of you can stand here and take pictures of your lifetime. Just collect. How dare you? 1995. You pick. Look, before you take a picture, you prepare psychologically. It's a family project. Next 2 weeks, we are going to take a picture. Thank you, mommy. You prepare, you pray towards it. The day of the picture taking, you bath, all of you bath together. You stand up with your siblings. We are going to take a picture. When you're walking about, nobody asks you a question. We are going to take a picture. Who marry you? Going to take a picture. If you get to the photo, remember, he lines you up. Then, as he poses with the camera, then he comes to you. Then he goes back, left. One picture, clear, he takes the picture. 3 weeks, they are still watching the picture. The picture comes and I look like this. Is that how I? You know, sometimes partying outside. Those times partying outside was very simple. Even 16-year-olds, everything developed, still standing outside bathing. Today, you tell a 17-year-old girl to bath outside. When you go bath, the bathroom is busy. Hey.
It up and meet this a girl. This a girl can cool like a cardigan.